Whoa, wow, what a beautiful bob, complete with bangs and a hair color change. She looks absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more of your favorites hair transformations. So here we have someone that decided to mix things up with a pixie style. Oh, we have a couple of different pixie variations being shown here. I think I like the one with the bangs the best. This one definitely showcases that shaggy pixie look, which is very popular right now. And then we have someone with a bob who ended up also getting a short and sweet pixie style. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we see someone else deciding to mix things up with a pixie. This one features quite a bit of volume going there. The choppy layers really added some interest and texture to the overall cut. And then we see someone with shoulder length hair. Now her hair is see-through in the back, which means she has a lot of thinning hair, split ends, and the stylist chops the damage right off. Now, typically when someone has hair and it is thinner towards the ends, when the hair is cut, it will look so much thicker and fuller. Looks like she got like a pixie bob style. Very nice. I love the feathered bangs. And look how much healthier her hair looks now that the damage is gone. It's like she has a whole new head full of hair. I absolutely love it. She looks amazing. Beautiful transformation. Next up, we see someone with long waistline hair. Now her hair is thinner towards the ends as well. And look at all that hair gone. The stylist did a beautiful mid-length cut here. Now, I think she would have actually looked really good with a bob as well, but maybe she wanted to maintain a little bit of length with this mid-length cut. But beautiful transformation, very nice. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she has a little bit of layers going on. And she decides to switch things up with this chic jaw length style bob. Very nice. This is like a beautiful, effortless bob style. So here we have someone with beautiful ginger colored hair. Here comes to around shoulder length. And the stylist does another gorgeous pixie. Now this particular stylist must specialize in pixie. She does have one herself, and it seems like a lot of her clients end up getting pixie styles. So here we have a beautiful bob hair change. I'm loving the flapper dress with this look. Definitely giving a 20s vibe with the haircut and the dress. And then we see someone with shoulder length hair. She's got brunette hair here. And bam, she ends up going blonde. Beautiful hair change. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration by checking out today's videos with me. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you next time.